What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over our friend Gala. It's currently down 3%, sitting at 0.016, seeing a market cap 729 million, 25 volume 75 million. So beautiful 5 waves off the low. That's the first thing we want to see for a potential reversal to the upside. We didn't quite reach the wave 5 target, so that's still on the table. But if we do correct from here, we look for a bounce in between 0.012 and 0.014. Now this is the do or die situation. We need to hold this bounce zone, because if we do come down and we bounce, we break that high, then that's confirmation of a bullish breakout and we'll see continuation to the upside. And it also correlates with putting in a beautiful inverse head and shoulders. So right here you have a left shoulder head and you come down, you bounce, you create that right shoulder, and you have a beautiful bullish reversal pattern right here. Take a trend line, bottom of the pattern, top of the neckline, take it to the point of breakout. Boom, that would take you all the way up to about 0.02589. So absolutely incredible price to be getting into Gala, in my opinion. So hopefully we can hold these first 5 waves, because if we start to lose 0.012, which is a 78.6, increases the likelihood of breaking that low, and of course that would be bearish and mean the correction simply isn't over. But as of right now, we have 5 waves off the low. So whether or not we push higher doesn't really matter. The most important thing is holding the pullback zone and then seeing continuation back to the upside. All right, gang, we're currently in a trade for Ethereum. If you want completely free access to my trading group, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to BITUNIX, one of the best deals on YouTube, in my opinion, as my trading group is completely free. Once you sign up, just send me an email and I will give you the link to my trading group, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, as well as my crypto trades. As I mentioned, we're in a trade for Ethereum. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Almost 3,000 members in the group. Yours free. All you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to BITUNIX. That's it. Send me an email, no strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.